Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying their life and welcome to my YouTube channel Luxuriant Fashions. I am going to back with the most beautiful stylish, top trending, top elegant and top stylish designs for haircuts, bob haircuts and your ultimate destination for a chic bold and trendy pixie haircuts. Whether you're looking for a daring transformations or fresh styling tips, you're in the right place. Pixie haircuts are more than just a style. They are statement from textured cuts to sleek and stylish looks. We bring you the best inspirations, expert advice, and step-by-step tutorials elevates your short hair games. And the best part, pixie haircuts and just stylish. They are low maintenance and lessly versatile. With the right products and technique, you can stylish and switch up your look effortlessly from sleek and polished and playful. So, are you ready to embrace the power of short hair? Subscribe to Luxuriant Fashions for all things pixie haircuts, ideas, expert tips, and daily hair inspirations. Hit the bell icon so you'll never miss my any updates. It's time to redefine beauty, one pixie cut at a time. So, guys, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos, share my videos with your friends and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. Please to my channel. So, goodbye, viewers.